Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today's video is on how to download and install the Night Training Club app on your mobile phone, which helps you reach your fitness goals. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now, open your Apple Store or Play Store and search for Night Training Club. You can see the app here, Night Training Club Fitness. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to open it and explore its features. You can use this app by clicking on the Join Us or Sign On button below. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next videos.